Cool coding. Challenging fun. Lego creations come to life with Lego Boost. Using the free app and their tablets, kids can code behaviors into whatever they create. Build 5 different models from one set, and each model has its own cool features and commands. Lego Boost is fun and educates your builder through play. Start inspiring their future with Lego Boost. Build, code, play.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
With mBot Ranger, the transformable 3-in-1 robot kit you can build your way. Conquer undiscovered territories with Land Raider. Use the digital controls to avoid obstacles. Go, Land Raider! Turbocharge through any terrain. No turf is tough enough to stand up to Land Raider. The transformable mBot Ranger 3-in-1 robot kit is constructed from interstellar materials so powerful it's out of this world! Build your mBot Ranger in a flash! With a construction time around 20 minutes, you'll be out exploring in no time! Awesome! Transform your Land Raider easily, turning it into the fastest bot around, Dashing Raptor! Watch Dashing Raptor as it chases anything at the speed of light. Dashing Raptor will obey commands. A trusty companion for any adventure. Quickly transform once more to complete the mission with Nervous Bird. Nervous Bird never takes a fall, fiercely balancing itself and standing up to the strongest foes. Excellent! The highly advanced but simple-to-use mBlock programming app engineers your mBot Ranger kit for the most intelligent, high-speed superbot in the universe! With a powerful mainboard that provides 5 onboard sensors and 10 extension ports, mBot Ranger is a perfect tool for teachers. Kick up classroom energy and teach entry-level programming at the same time. Unlock the key to a world of undiscovered territory and feel the power at your fingertips with the transformable mBot Ranger 3-in-1 robot kit. With unimaginable capabilities, mBot Ranger is the perfect companion for at-home play or venturing out anywhere that new tread lies.